If you're struggling with cough and cold, try these simple home remedies. In the morning, mix 1 teaspoon of honey with half a teaspoon of ginger juice. It soothes the throat and fights infection. Twice a day, drink warm turmeric milk, especially before bedtime. Turmeric is a natural antibiotic. Also, boil a cup of water with 4 to 5 tulsi, holy basil, leaves, a pinch of black pepper, and 1 clove. Drink this herbal tea once or twice a day. These remedies don't just reduce cough and cold but also boost your immunity. Natural, effective, and no side effects, so give them a try. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.